welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick and easy clean with me. I'm going to tidy up some areas around the house and also bring you some laundry motivation. So if you are ready, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, turn your post notification bell on so you don't miss any of my uploads, and leave me a comment down below. You know I love talking to you. Now let's get to cleaning. This particular day, my son wanted to help me out. Before I started filming, I let him know that I was getting ready to record, and he was like, "No, mommy, no more Squeaky Clean Life videos. I don't want you to record today." And I was so sad. So we had to stop and have a whole long talk, and basically he just wanted to help mommy out. So here we are doing laundry. He really enjoyed doing this, you guys, and I loved having him with me as my little helper. So I hope you guys enjoy seeing Blake help mommy out around the house today.
And I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder.
This is your first time visiting my channel. My name is Shawn Yvonne, and I'm a wife and a mom of 2 beautiful babies. And on my channel, you will find lots and lots of cleaning motivation and organization. So if that is your thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here as a friend. So starting off in my son's room, we are just folding up some laundry that I had tossed in his bed earlier as I was starting the laundry. So we're gonna get that all folded up. My son loves to fold clothes. It is the most adorable thing, and it was pretty fun to just have some one-on-one time and talk with him while his sister was napping. So I know, like, if you have multiple kids, try to get that one-on-one alone time, because I noticed that my son sometimes acts out of jealousy since his sister has come. So we try to give him a lot of extra love and attention when we can.
Then you fall back, giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah.
Guys, this whole scene just touches my heart so much. I love having my son help me out. He is such a good helper, and he is pretty funny for a 4-year-old. Okay, so we were having a good old time. Last thing I wanted to do in my son's room is clean the window. I noticed there were a lot of fingerprints from him playing in it. You guys, my son does the most. Y'all already know. He had pulled the blinds down and they broke. So he was just touching the window while we were waiting on the replacement blinds, and it needed to be cleaned. He wanted to help, so this was pretty fun. I'm moving on to the kitchen and I'm just gonna get it all tidied up. It was not a mess at all. I just need to put some dishes away, wipe down the countertops, and clean off the table as usual. Between this countertop and the dining room table, I don't know which is the biggest catch-all space, but everything ends up over here. When we get packages, we open them over here, mail, hair supplies, everything ends up on this countertop and it drives me insane. So I had to get it all cleaned up. I'm finally getting to try this Method all-purpose cleaner in grapefruit scent, and I love it. It smells so good. I love grapefruit anyway, so this did not disappoint. So I am a person that does not like clutter at all, and my countertops were starting to look super cluttered to me, with the appliances just being left out. I did not enjoy that look at all. I don't like having, my coffee maker and my crock pots just sitting on display. So I ended up putting everything away, and I love the way it looked.
Never been. Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you. What happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt.
A few people have asked me, how do I keep my drip pans so clean? And there is no secret to this, you guys. I clean them every single day after I cook, and I'm not really a messy cook at all, so I don't have a lot of spills, so I just wipe it off every day. And if it really needs a deep cleaning, I will take them off and put them in the sink and just wash them like I would wash the dishes. But there's no secret to it. I just clean it every single day.
Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here.
Now my husband's just helping me clear the table really quickly so that I can wipe it down really quick, because sometimes we try to get the house clean before my daughter wakes up from her nap, because when she gets up she wants mommy to hold her, and as much as I don't mind holding her, I would prefer not to hold a 21-pound baby while cleaning up.
Yeah. Wasted, loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a love,
I am so upset, you guys, because the sink cleaning portion of my video got deleted and I was crushed. I was gonna run in there and just clean it again, but your girl did not feel like doing all of that. Y'all know I love to clean the sink, and I'm so sorry I could not bring you that satisfaction today. But trust me, on my next video, we will not be caught slipping like this, okay?
'cause maybe in time you'll see, maybe I can be all you need. Yeah, lay all your love on me. Mama's here. Oh, I wrote a lullaby for you. No, no, no. Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh,
I needed to do for this quick and easy clean with me was put the clothes that were in the washer in the dryer, and you'll see my daughter come in and help me put the clothes in the dryer, which was super adorable that both of my kids wanted to help me clean today. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it. If you did, don't forget to leave me a like. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my uploads. I will see you in the next video. Bye.